Hey guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you log in Gmail in Instagram. So at first, just go to the Instagram. Now click the bottom last your profile icon. Now just click the top right the three dash icon and click on settings. Click on this see more in account center option. Now in the account settings, click on the second option, personal details. Now just click on contact info. Now in the bottom here you can see add new contact. Click on it. Here you can see add email address. Click on it. Now you can just put the email address that you want to add. And after entering the email address, select the account for this email address and click the bottom next button. And there will be a confirmation code to your Gmail account and you need to just put it in here. And after that, click on the bottom next. And after doing this, you can just log in Gmail in Instagram. So guys, that's how you can log in Gmail in Instagram. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.